Climate Package electric rear window defogger, intermittent rear wiper with washer, and Solar-Ray deep tinted glass. Option package: 1LT 6-way power driver seat adjuster, auxiliary rear air conditioning, body color body side moldings, deluxe rear seat DVD entertainment system, driver and front passenger illuminated visor mirrors, electronic cruise control with set and resume speed, modular overhead rail system, and passenger side power sliding door, and remote vehicle starter system. Fresh trade. Don't miss out on owning this attractive 2007 Chevrolet Uplander. New car test drive set it. Holds its own amongst stiff competition in passenger comfort and flexibility, not to mention the gizmos buyers increasingly expect in their minivans. It scored the top rating in the IIHS frontal offset test. With plenty of passenger room, you won't have to worry about being cramped when it's more than just you in the van. Polar is the safest, easiest place on earth to buy a vehicle. No kidding. Call, email, or stop by today.